We are eating gator bites and beef tongue with sauerkraut. Who wants to try first? We gonna do the sauces. I'm definitely gonna try it. I'll just try the gator bite right off the bat. Gator bite. Oh yeah. They're good. Yeah. Yeah, they're really good. Sauces. Not bad, is it? No. You gonna try it?
What's it taste like?
It does. It does. It tastes really good.
That's awesome. Very spicy. Better roast the pop roll chicken.
She didn't like it. Didn't like it? Okay, so she didn't like that. She gotta try this first. Beef tongue. Oh, sorry. Beef tongue.
Is it good?
It is bad. It's like a smoked meat. But really, the mouth is really getting big in my mouth because of what it is.
Yeah.
Not bad though. No. Like I heard something that's actually more weird when you get it.